Alright, what up? Making this video because unfortunately I didn't get to finish the car today. Got to do a little wet sanding on the post still. Kind of unhappy with the finish of that. Get that knocked out. Shoot some 2000 on it tomorrow. But I wanted to let you know that, Mikey, it is all done outside of me just fixing that piece of that post and doing my signature right there. Let's glimpse of that. But outside of that, I mean, it is all done. Cut it, buffed, 5000 Trizac. Of course, got to detail the wheels. Give it its final bath. You know, it's pretty dirty. Jams all blacked out. Guess I can turn the headlights off. But yeah, Mikey, just give me another day. Get the glass all detailed out. You know, get all the overspray off of it. Get it cleaned up. Detail your wheels. You know, just do a little wet sanding on that post up there. We're there, buddy. We're there. I hate that, you know, I couldn't get it done today. But we're almost there, man. Sang with me. Shouldn't be more than a day.